Bula everyone, are you looking for the ultimate anti-aging daily moisturizer? Then our anti-aging intense day cream is the one for you. This amazing day cream includes 3 anti-aging peptides, Inchy Seed, Idea Lift and AHA peptides to increase dermal density, lift firm, prevent sagging and help smooth fine lines and wrinkles, in addition to resurfacing and rejuvenating the skin. How do you use this amazing day cream? Simply take the lid off, put some pumps in your hand. 2 pumps is more than enough. Rub a little in your hands and spread evenly onto cleansed and toned skin. Don't forget to include your neck. It's one of the areas that shows the first signs of aging. This also has our botanical oil blend in it, hyaluronic acid and plant collagen, locking in moisture, plumping your skin as well and keeping it hydrated all day long. The ultimate anti-aging moisturizer, our anti-aging intense day cream.